common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
I'm having a slight issue with my camera. Not quite sure why that's doing that. It's grabbing the wrong camera, I believe. Let me see if I can get that fixed. What's up, Rudolph? Let me try to figure out what is wrong with my webcam. Well, shit. I didn't notice that. For some reason, the webcam is not working. Well, what's up, Kimozabi, Satoshi Heavy? Let's give you a wrench. If somebody could tell me why my camera is not working. That is weird. Yeah, you're right. I might just have to roll with it. I don't know why my camera is pointed right at me, and it is definitely not working. And I don't know why that is. I've never, ever experienced that issue. So hold on a second. All right, let me just remove that so I don't look like such an idiot. So let's jump in here then. We've got, this is the Bitcoin chart that I've been showing. I've been looking for a jump and a backup. We did sell some up there at 22,650. I believe the price was on the jump. I was looking for a 21.8 on a pullback with stocks. And yeah, my camera's pointed right at me, so I don't know what's going on. I haven't changed anything, so the camera's pointed straight at me as always. So I was looking for a 21.8 on the backup. So I was trading 21.9. We did what, a 21.7 a little bit ago. I still think we probably have a little bit more downside. I'd like to see really what happens overnight. If we go to Ethereum, Tether, Binance, Ethereum, Tether, Binance. Again, you can see right-hand corner, 39.76. Normally 38 is considered oversold. So we are springing these levels. We still got a level down there around 1518, and we got a level at 1502. Wouldn't be too bad to see those levels taken out. So we will look at that, see if that's the case. I want to go here and show the SPY chart. Get that out of there again. So here's the SPY. If you've been following me on any videos, I was looking for an ABC down. So we did get the AB. Today's close was the C wave down. We could be looking for still, again, a little bit lower. I thought maybe we could reach down to 400 on the SPY, Standard & Poor's 500 ETF. Again, apologize for the camera. I don't know why I had that issue. I have been live on some money.net, etc., so I'm not sure what happened. So the SPY looks like it has a little bit lower to go. The technometer there is 39.28. So it'll be oversold tomorrow. If we look at the DIA, let's go through some of the general stock market technometers. DIA is 39.56 as well. IWM, the Russell technometer there, 39.97. QQQ, 42.43 on the QQQ. That's been really strong, so it's not getting as oversold as quickly. We got our Wyckoff wave that we follow. It is not as oversold. It's sitting here at 43.32. We do have a Wyckoff wave new index that we also monitor, 37.83, so we're oversold on the WWN. And then we got a Wyckoff wave growth index, which is more NASDAQ-y. And that technometer is, again, 44. So tech could pull back a little bit more here. Stock could pull back a little bit more in the next day or two. So let's see if stocks work a little bit lower. And then let's back to Ethereum, Bitcoin. Everything looks like it has a little bit lower to go. Our WWCI, our Wyckoff wave crypto index, 40 in the past was extremely good buy points. And you can see here, today we come in at 40.05. So again, a little bit of weakness the next 24 hours. That's going to pop below 40 and give us a green buy on our Wyckoff wave crypto index. Then if we go to our Elliott wave, again, take that camera out of there so people don't wonder what the hell I'm doing. Apologize for the camera. I'll get that fixed when we're done. So this is the Elliott wave we've been looking at. Let's go back to like a 4-hour chart. This is kind of what I had chosen. I think maybe we made the final low there at 16,000 without actually going to another new low because we were so oversold. So I've been looking for 5 waves up. I've been bearish the last couple of weeks looking for a wave 4 to 21.8. So it didn't look like we was going to get that, but now we have. Again, I could see some bouncing around here and then another new low in a day or two. So if you really want to know exactly when we're buying or selling, you've got to join patreon.com/learncrypto. Nick just put that up there. Patreon.com/learncrypto, 40 bucks. Get our actual trades, our stops, take profits, etc. So Nick's got trades coming on SOL. What else has he got going? BNB. We're going to be back in BNB. Probably Matic. Floki. He might give a few more here, but we sold quite a few up there for trades. We're going to be buying those back. I'll be back in on Ethereum and Bitcoin on a trading position here shortly. So again, I think a wave 4 is what's going on here. And then we're going to have another new high. I have shown here's the UUP, the long dollar ETF. Let me go to a 6-month chart there. I was kind of giving, I think the dollar ultimately is going to go higher over the next month and a half, which could give us that sell-off into crypto after the wave 5 up. So wave 5 up in crypto, maybe dollar comes back down here for a few weeks, keeps crypto going to a new high, and then Dollar rallies for a few weeks. Crypto comes back down again for an ABC, maybe back down to this 22,000 level. And then dollar collapses and Bitcoin takes off to the upside. That's kind of what I'm looking at for the dollar versus crypto. Appreciate it, Chemo. Satoshi got the same count, cool. And the count could be, there's a slight chance that this whole rally ended at the wave 3. So there's a good chance it could have been, that could be 1, 2, we're ready for 3, 4, 5 straight up. So maybe we go a little deeper here because it's going to be a 1, 2. And then we explode to the upside. So we'll have to watch that. But for now, that's the count that I'm going with. This is just a wave 4. Normally, if you know much about Wyckoff, a lot of times on uptrends, you can buy springs and uptrends. So that's what would be happening right now, is we are springing that 22,250 level. And then we'll come back up, get above it, test it, and then again, we'll be ready for further highs. So I do own the WyckoffSMI.com, the original institute. I do throw some Elliott wave counts on crypto. I don't normally do it on stocks. But if you're looking for anything stock related, WyckoffSMI.com, crypto, learncrypto.io. We do manage crypto portfolios with a trading API, and I manage stock portfolios through Charles Schwab. So if you want any management, email me, tbutterfield@wyckoffsmi.com. Anybody, any crypto charts you want to look at? Apologize for my camera not working. I reset it before I came live. I don't know how the hell. Everything looks fine with it, so apologize that. Anybody want to go over any more? Right now I'm going to bring up BNB. Here's a 9-month chart, BNB. I definitely do Litecoin, Chris. Here on BNB, you can see that as we speak, we're having the oversold. I actually had one missing there. Let me add that. So we're getting an oversold reading in BNB. We're going to put that over here at 305, so let's save that. Again, I think BNB should be okay down here at these levels. We have not given a buy on it, but I think with it oversold here, quite a bit of the risk is out of it. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin, I tweeted there a few 10 days ago that I thought we'd have an ABC pullback. It went a little higher, but then we are having that ABC pullback. Technometer 41.3, a little lower in the next 24 hours or so. We'll get that to near oversold. You can see the last time we had oversold, it was the backup to the creek. Perfect entry there at 64. Again, maybe a little lower in Litecoin. That one should be okay. On Hex, again, my providers did not provide the Hex, so I cannot do that. They know I'm trying to get those added. The same thing with Tasuka. I'll make a note on those. Let me check one thing here. I mean, there is a Hex chart on TradingView. Again, I mean, previous wave 4 support, really right here where we're at, 0.0415 or so. Maybe you could say down there at 0.0377. I would think Hex doing the same thing, a wave 4 pullback here will be followed by new highs. We'll go back to SOL. I'd mentioned before a previous wave 4 was down there at 1642. I don't think we'll get that. I do think we'll spring that 20 and change level. So again, a little bit lower. But you can see technometer here is as oversold as it has been. If we look at previous points, my consolidated quotes are still having a problem. My API provider changed some things. But I want to show the last times we were this oversold on SOL was the day of the low on that selling climax, and then came in again right before the spring. And now I think we're getting oversold on a backup. So let's save those on there. SOL again. You could nibble here or wait maybe for a little bit lower. Luca, let me give you a wrench. $21,188 for chemo. I mean, that could definitely happen, especially if stocks get hit tomorrow. No doubt. So that's why I've not jumped on anything yet, because I think there probably could still be a little bit of pressure on stocks. They did not close very well. You're welcome, Maluka. 21,825, so not bouncing much here. Again, apologize. I don't know why my one camera is not working. That's some bogus BS. Here's Matic. Three good oversold readings on Matic gave pretty well extremely good buys at 42.36 on Matic, because you've only had a one-day correction here. Matic looks like it's going to keep leading to the upside. I'm a registered investment advisor, so let me run a disclaimer real quick.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
Rudolph, you want to know if we could be completing a wave 2, so I think what you're saying is if we move these out of the way, I mean, I don't think it matters how you call this low. I was kind of calling it that we didn't go to a new low on the fifth wave after the FTX drama. So there's definitely different ways to read this. So if it gets deeper, then maybe we're in a bigger 1-2. But again, I'm just not sure of that. Matic to $1.14, that would be all right. That would be ideal, at least to $1.14. Spring that $1.168 level. Should be able to do that, I would think. That's all I really got. I mean, I've got some stock scans that I use to look for stocks that could lead the next rally up. But I'm not really going to go over those now. I might do that maybe tomorrow if I get time. Any stocks that are backing up to previous resistance should be good to go. Should lead the next rally. Quite a few stocks I've been liking and talking about, but again, I'll do that some other time. Anybody late? Let's one more time go back over the SPY. The last sell point really we had was on the 26th. We're still a little higher than that, but it's pretty bullish when a sell signal turns to a buy and price does not correct at all. That's what's happening here. We're at 39.3 on the technometer. 38 is going to give us a green dot, which has picked two of the last strong lows. So again, I think stocks are going to come into some type of low here. Crypto doing the same thing. And then going to try the upside again. Let's see if we can go to new recovery high on stocks for this rally and see if Bitcoin can maybe run up to 25, 26,000 before it tops out again. So that's all I got. Just wanted to go on here real quick, give my opinion. I kind of do some quick TikTok videos just for the general crowd, but I want to be able to go on here and give much more. So again, I'm going to run a couple commercials. Crypto Discord. Get our trades from Nick and I, small caps to large caps. LearnCrypto.io is the website. Patreon Discord is patreon.com/learncrypto. So run a couple commercials and then maybe catch you tomorrow. Appreciate the support.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365, 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100+ crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.